According to the President's office, the plan for South Africa to leave the International Criminal Court, previously announced by President Cyril Ramaphosa, has been abandoned due to a breakdown in communication with the African National Congress. In recent news, the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin. Hello and welcome. My name is Akosie Siedwa and you're watching the New African Channel. This development prompted Ramaphosa to claim earlier in the day that the ANC had made the decision to withdraw South Africa from the ICC's jurisdiction. However, the plan has since been scrapped. The ICC's arrest warrant against Putin raised concerns about his potential detention upon arrival in Pretoria, where the bloc summit of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa is scheduled to take place later this year. The presidency wishes to clarify that South Africa remains a signatory to the ICC, Ramaphosa's office stated in a statement. It further explained that the clarification follows an error in a comment made during a media briefing held by the governing African National Congress. According to earlier information provided by the ANC to journalists, the possibility of South Africa withdrawing from the ICC was raised during a weekend meeting of the party's National Executive Council. President Ramaphosa confirmed the decision during a joint press conference with the visiting president of Finland, stating that the ANC had deemed it wise for South Africa to leave the ICC. However, the presidency later acknowledged that Ramaphosa mistakenly affirmed a position that was in line with the ruling party's stance, which he regretted. The ANC claimed in its statement on Tuesday night that an unintended impression was created regarding an immediate withdrawal decision, but this claim is false. Putin was issued an arrest warrant following accusations that the Kremlin forcibly deported Ukrainian children. When asked if South Africa would detain Putin, Ramaphosa replied that the matter is currently being considered. Earlier, Fikile Mbalula, the Secretary General of ANC, declared that Putin can come anytime into the country. Pretoria has had strong ties with Moscow for decades, dating back to when the Kremlin supported the ANC's fight against apartheid. Despite the international isolation of Moscow due to its invasion of Ukraine, the continental powerhouse has refused to condemn the act and instead opted for neutrality, preferring dialogue as a means to end the war. According to Ramaphosa, South Africa's decision to remain non-aligned is aimed at enabling the country to contribute to the resolution of conflicts. He stated that he has had several conversations with Putin and his message to him has always been clear: negotiation is necessary. Additionally, Ramaphosa acknowledged Finland's recent move to join the military alliance, although he had previously held NATO responsible for the conflict in Ukraine. While hosting his Finnish counterpart during a 3-day state visit to South Africa, Ramaphosa stated that Finland has the right to decide to join NATO and that South Africa respects and accepts this decision. In 2016, South Africa attempted to withdraw from the ICC after a dispute arising from the visit of former Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir for an African Union summit. Despite being the subject of an ICC arrest warrant for alleged war crimes, al-Bashir was not arrested. However, the decision to withdraw from the ICC was later reversed after a domestic court deemed it unconstitutional. So what do you think of our video? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and as always, do subscribe to the New African channel for more exciting future videos.